breaking news we're tracking this morning. In a major breakthrough in the Goa fire tragedy probe, NDTV has confronted one of the key figures who is now under the scanner. Ajay Gupta, the alleged partner of the Luthra brothers in this ill-fated nightclub Birch by Romeo Lane, where 25 lives were lost on the 6th of December. Facing NDTV's tough questions, Ajay Gupta, whose photo you see on your screens at the moment, broke his silence, claiming he was only a partner, nothing else. Ajay Gupta has just a few moments ago told NDTV he was only a partner, nothing else. But the big question, is that the full truth? Or is this just damage control? We are nitpicking all the details and delving deeper into all that's coming to the fore at the moment. But the latest this morning, in a major breakthrough in the Goa fire tragedy probe, NDTV has now confronted one of the key figures under the scanner, Ajay Gupta. Ajay Gupta was nabbed from Sona in Haryana as he tried to dodge cops. He even got himself hospitalized in Delhi at a hospital in Lajpat Nagar to dodge arrest. However, as my colleague Akil Jamil was reporting, Ajay Gupta is going to be produced in Saket Court. We are also told that before he was detained, he was actually attempting to switch locations. He kept changing his location and he was finally nabbed in Haryana, Sona, in an Innova with an HR number plate. It was him and his driver. The latest we can disclose at the moment, NDTV has confronted one of the key figures under the scanner, Ajay Gupta, who is the alleged partner of the Luthra brothers, as far as Birch by Romeo Lane is concerned. And facing NDTV's tough questions, Ajay Gupta has broken his silence, claiming he was only a partner, nothing else. But is that the full truth? That's the big question, or is it just damage control on behalf of Ajay Gupta? To understand all the latest developments, let's go across to my colleague Akil Jamil, who joins us with the latest details. Akil, take us through the latest details. What is Ajay Gupta saying as NDTV confronted him?
Well, Parmeshwar, if you see right now, a few moments back, my colleague has just confronted him in the National Capital Sunlight Colony Police Station area, where he was taken by the Delhi Police Crime Branch team. Earlier, what we have seen that he has kept on changing his locations, not only from one place to another place, but if you see, he kept on changing his locations to the Delhi NCR region, from Noida to Gurugram. And last location was mapped in Sona. And then again, he came back to the National Capital in Lajpat Nagar area, where he got himself admitted in the hospital in Lajpat Nagar area, saying that he has got some spinal injury problem. So right now, what we have seen that the crime branch team, which is assisting the Goa police team in connection with the case, has taken this very individual to the Sunlight Colony police station area in the crime branch unit. And right now, his interrogation is going on. It's very likely that in the next few hours, we can expect that he will be taken to the Saket court, where he will be produced. And then on transit remand, it's very likely that the Goa police team will take him back to Goa, and after that his interrogation and the Goa police will make him sit in front of other individuals as well, which include, if you see earlier, the first arrest which was made in connection with the case was of the chief general manager. So it's very likely that they are going to make him sit in front of the chief general manager and other two managers as well. And the
चाहेंगे कहाँ पर है? कैसे आप अजय गुप्ता को चाहेंगे कहाँ फरार थे? कहाँ पर है? चाहेंगे कहाँ पर है? कैसे आप अजय गुप्ता को चाहेंगे कहाँ फरार थे? कहाँ पर है? चाहेंगे कहाँ पर है? कैसे आप अजय गुप्ता को चाहेंगे कहाँ फरार थे? कहाँ पर है? चाहेंगे कहाँ पर है? कैसे आप अजय गुप्ता को चाहेंगे कहाँ फरार थे? कहाँ पर है? चाहेंगे कहाँ पर है? कैसे आप अजय गुप्ता चाहेंगे कहाँ फरार थे? कहाँ पर है? चाहेंगे कहाँ पर है? कैसे आप अजय गुप्ता चाहेंगे कहाँ फरार थे? कहाँ पर है? चाहेंगे कहाँ पर है? कैसे आप अजय गुप्ता चाहेंगे कहाँ फरार थे? कहाँ पर है? चाहेंगे कहाँ पर है? कैसे आप अजय गुप्ता चाहेंगे कहाँ फरार थे? कहाँ पर है? चाहेंगे कहाँ पर है? कैसे आप
Well, Ajay Gupta is going to be produced in a court in Delhi. My colleague Akil Jamil is reporting, but Tejasri Purandare has confronted Ajay Gupta. She joins us live. to take us through what exactly Ajay Gupta has said and whether he was trying to dodge arrest by admitting himself into a hospital in Delhi's Lajpat Nagar. Tejashree, it's over to you. Tell us exactly what's happened with Ajay Gupta.
Well, absolutely. Here we are reporting at the crime branch where Ajay Gupta was brought just few minutes back, and now in some time he will be taken to the Saket court. Important to notice that he came over here. NDTV asked him tough questions. We confronted him and asked him that where are Luthra brothers? When did he last speak to him? Not just that, but why was he also absconding? Remember that what we are also getting to know that Ajay Gupta was also absconding, and then he very dramatically got hospitalized in the IBS hospital, which is in which is just nearby to this police station. And then the police came to know that he has been taking hiding in the hospital itself, and now he has been arrested, brought over here at the crime branch Sunlight Colony police station, from where we are reporting right now. And the biggest breaking news over here is that when we asked him that what kind of relation he had with Luthras and when did he last speak to them, then he confessed, saying that I know Luthras but only as business partners, nothing more than that. That was the 6th arrest made in this case, and biggest confession by Ajay Gupta, where he accepted the fact that he knew Luthras as business partners. And this is what is all case is about, that all this business, these properties that Luthras and their associates were running, these all majority of the properties were illegal properties. So several kind of red flags were raised, not just once but multiple times, said with the show cause notices or demolition notices. NDTV has been getting all the exclusive news breaks and ground zero report as far as this entire case is concerned, and we also showed that how the show cause notices were issued multiple times. These are the pictures of the crime branch from where we are reporting right now. This is the same police station where Ajay Gupta has been brought. He has been brought over here and now will be taken to the court, and then a transit remand will be taken by the Goa police. However, it's a general procedure, that when some police from another state comes to Delhi, then it's a general procedure that they do follow. But now important to notice that the investigation and the questions that will be asked to Ajay Luthra and how the police will now be able to, reroute so as to what actually happened, what actually transpired, who are all those individuals who are involved in this case. Because definitely it is not just a matter of one or two individuals. It is a kind of nexus that these Luthras and their associates were running. Once again, showing you the pictures of this entire area where he has been brought. This is the same crime branch police station where he has been brought, and now we also asked him questions so as to why was he absconding, where are Luthra brothers, why were these illegal properties built, why the NOC was not taken as far as the Romeo Lane in the bridge is concerned in Goa. So all these questions we did ask him. He did not answer, but yes, he accepted the fact, that he knew Luthra brothers as business associates. Back to you.
All right. Tejashree, a few clarifications at this point. To begin with, what is Ajay Gupta's legal status right now? Is he detained? Is he arrested? Or under questioning? Right. Just hold that thought. We have a crucial bite coming in. Let's just listen in.
चाहेंगे कहाँ फरार थे चाहेंगे कहाँ पर है, कैसे चाहेंगे कहाँ फरार थे चाहेंगे कहाँ पर है, कैसे चाहेंगे कहाँ फरार थे चाहेंगे कहाँ पर है, कैसे चाहेंगे कहाँ फरार थे चाहेंगे कहाँ पर है, कैसे चाहेंगे कहाँ फरार थे.
That clip we just played out for you, you heard my colleague Tejashree Purandare confronting Ajay Gupta, who's one of the co-owners of Birch by Romeo Lane. The Luthra brothers, do note, have fled to Thailand. Currently, Tejashree is with us, taking us through all the latest developments. Tejashree, as we speak, what is Ajay Gupta's legal status? That's the first question. And have we accessed any financial records, any ownership documents that contradict his claim of being only a partner?
Well, you see, as far as let us talk about his legal status, to till yesterday he was detained because he was hospitalized in IBS hospital in Lajpat Nagar, which is just few kilometers from the location from where we are reporting right now. After he was discharged, he was immediately arrested by the police. The chief of police was stationed over there at the IBS hospital. But what happened before that? Before that, his status was he was absconding. As soon as the police got to know that he has been hospitalized over here, the police rushed to the hospital, detained him, and then further formalities were followed after his discharge, where he was arrested, and now he has been brought over here at the Sunlight police station, which is in Maharani Bagh. Let me also tell you that he was most likely taken for a medical test now, and then has been again brought to the police station, because whenever the accused is produced to the court, a medical test has to be done, so for which he was taken and now has been brought. Meanwhile, we confronted him, asked him, now what next? Next is he will be produced in the court, remand will be taken, transit remand will be taken, investigation will be underway. We'll all eyes on what next as far as the investigation is concerned. Back to you.
As always, Tejashree, thanks so much. The next step is the fact that Ajay Gupta will be produced in a court in Saket shortly.